The IIFA Awards celebrated its Silver Jubilee edition this year in Jaipur over the weekend. The celebration was started with recognizing the best talents in the field of OTT cinemas and series on Saturday, March 8. The Bests of Film Awards were given last night. Kiran Rao's social drama The Lapata Ladies emerged as the biggest winner of the night with 10 trophies. The film won awards including Best Performance in a Leading Role, Female, Best Picture, Best Performance in a Supporting Role, Male, Best Direction among others. Kartik Aaryan lifted the trophy for Best Performance in Leading Role, Male, for Bhool Bhulaiyaa 3. Radhav Juyal was named the Best Performance in a Negative Role for Kill. Check the full list of winners here. Best Picture, Lapata Ladies. Best Performance in Leading Role, Male, Kartik Aaryan, Bhool Bhulaiyaa 3. Best Performance in Leading Role, Female, Neetanshi Goyal, Lapata Ladies. Best Direction, Kiran Rao, Lapata Ladies. Best Performance in a Negative Role, Radhav Juyal, Kill. Best Performance in a Supporting Role, Female, Janki Bodiwala, Shaitan. Best Performance in a Supporting Role, Male, Ravi Kishan, Lapata Ladies. Best Story, Original, in the Popular category, Biplab Goswami, Lapata Ladies. Best Story, Adapted, Shriram Raghvan, Arijit Biswas, Pooja Lada Surti, and Anukriti Pandey, Merry Christmas. Best Directorial Debut, Kunal Kemu, Madgav Express. Best Debut, Male, Laksha Lalwani, Kill. Best Debut, Female, Pratibha Ranta, Lapata Ladies. Best Music Director, Ram Sampath, Lapata Ladies. Best Lyrics, Prashant Pandey, Sajni from Lapata Ladies. Best Singer, Male, Jubin Nautiyal, Dua from Article 370. Best Singer, Female, Shreya Ghoshal, Ami J. Tomar 3.0 from Bhool Bhulaiyaa 3. Best Sound Design, Subhash Sahu, Boloi Kumar Doloi, Rahul Kaap, Kill. Best Screenplay, Sneha Desai, Lapata Ladies. Best Dialogue, Arjun Dhawan, Aditya Dhar, Aditya Suhas Jambhale, Monal Thakur, Article 370. Best Editing, Jabin Merchant, Lapata Ladies. Best Cinematography, Rafe Mahmood, Kill. Best Choreography, Bosco Caesar, Tauba Tauba from Bad News. Best Special Effects, Red Chillies VFX, Bhool Bhulaiyaa 3. Advertisement.